Okay, thanks for coming to my channel. Welcome back in the Laravel season. Today we're gonna talk about error in Laravel, or maybe it's happened to native PHP. So if you're facing the same error in my screen, undefined offset key, undefined array key, so it's maybe come from two possibilities error. It's maybe from array, it's maybe from collection. Collection means from database selection. You try to access is as an array or collection. So direct to code. Previously I create an array variable with 1 2 3 4 5 6 index. If we back here, it's from array collection. I create the array because I want to show you how does the error is happen. If you try to show that variable, usually we use diadem or diadem in Laravel or var dom in the native PHP. So you free to use Laravel or just native PHP, but I prefer to use Laravel because it's ready to use. So if we diadem here an array semicolon, we try to run server. So, okay, we refresh. This is the variable that I created before, and the error is undefined offset key, undefined error key. So if we try to access index 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, yes, and I'm trying to refresh the page, is say undefined array key 6. It because in this variable is index 6 is doesn't exist. In the PHP we know index is start from 0, and here we can see index 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, and we try to access index 6, and it's happen to this error. So what different independent offset key and independent error key? It's depends on is different on your PHP version. So if we use sorry, we just see what happened to my PHP, what my version PHP payment fee is. It said your PHP version is 8.0. I'm trying to use different PHP version, but in my computer is have only one PHP version. So I'm trying to online interpreter, is PHP interpreter online. So if we trying execute this my code, okay, here if we're trying to 7 4 in 4, we try we forget to use echo. Alright, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we're gonna do R6 and execute. Sorry, we forgot semicolon. Undefined variable, forget double R. Okay, undefined offset 6. But if we use different version, maybe in my case is 8.0 here, okay, it will come out different error. Infinite array key 6. It doesn't matter what come out from your log. So it answered the question why this error happened to code. What next? Okay, how to fix this error? If you want to, or you don't want to show this error, you just use to check the array first. You can use if I set it different to check the variable is return true or null or undefined. So an array with trace 6, you echo then array 6 else echo index not found. Okay, we back to this code. Sorry, I'm not 001, sorry, 01, sorry, index not found. Okay, we try to change the index, maybe so. Okay, that's it's a simple check before you use the variable or array, or you can just use the shorthand. Shorthand means it's some with using if, but it's a little bit beautiful. So you can use echo, or you can use I set then array 6. If we return true, we just call the array 6. If not, we just return the same index not found. Okay, done. Here, okay, 6. Okay, maybe this help you out if you face this error. So thanks for coming. Please subscribe and comment. Let me know if you want to next tutorial, or you facing the error in PHP or Laravel. Thanks, see you.